Sorry about that. It was computer super laggy. Anyways, once you have your ribbon cable, nice and tight, plugged in, super straight. You have to have it like perfectly aligned straight, because if you don't, then you're gonna damage these little components right here. They become extremely hot, and as they become hotter, they tend to melt themselves, pretty much, basically. Once again, the little LED cable for the backlit light. Make sure it's still nice and connected. I still haven't. Make sure you connect this over here. I don't know if the video might cut off or anything, because hopefully it hasn't, And this is the first hole right here where one of the little white screws goes in there. So I'm going to screw it in right here. Okay. Now there's another screw hole right here. Let's see if I can find my finger. Right there. There goes another one of the little white ones. That's right next to this little ribbon cable here. That's a good thing to have your little screws. If you have a little magnet on your laptop screen, you can just pass it over and it magnetizes it, which is a pretty cool thing that I like about my computer now. So maybe Alienware computers are not that useless after all. Unfortunately, they have horrible cameras, more horrible than this one. Alright, another of the screws goes right here, right there in that little hole right there. Oh, thanks a lot for messing everything up, Omar. Okay, another one of the screws goes in right here. This little catheter is. Looks like a catheter to me. Could be something different. Okay. 1, 2, 3, down. Now the last screw goes in right here. Right here where this little switch is. Alright. Once again, make sure you've been touching the metals. You've been getting rid of the static. Okay, now that I have the motherboard all nice and plugged in, hopefully, if I turn it on again, I won't get that doubled image anymore. I'm gonna power it up, boot it up here real quick. Takes a little while here. Yeah, see, it's just mainly the glow, that actually makes it look like that, but see, it's actually not that. It just glows like that because it's reflecting off the camera and off of there, because, every single Alienware computer has this weird glowy piece of plastic in front of it. Alright, plug the battery, flip the switch on, and keep it on, so it's being draining the whatever juices are left in there. Now the back cover, for me at first, it was a little bit kind of hard to put it back on there, but I found this really, really easy way to put it back on there. Just grab it, set it on top like this, like if it was a computer, pretty much, basically, and then just close it up. It should be nice and perfect. Alright, see, it's nice and perfect. Now I just gotta put the screws on there. See that side? Just have to put on the screws here real fast. Remember, the 3 screws on the top side right here, top of the TV. 2 here, 2 over here, and 1 in the little compartment here. This little leg still thing. and hopefully, fortunately here in the state of Georgia, I really don't get that really good reception with this little TV, even though it is a digital TV, which is really nice, you know. But this little antenna is really horrible. Let alone I already kind of smashed it up a little bit. It's all bent. So I still wonder if it'll still get good reception. Alright, let's see. Just one over. Totally. Awesomely. Last but not least, this little screw here. Alright, close it up. Remember, since you left the switch on, switch it off now. Grab the battery. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. I mean, there's only one way it'll fit in here. Plug it in. Gonna smash the little cables down below here. See here. Nice and great. It should work. Let's see here. Hopefully, I'll get some reception here. Hopefully, I get some sort of channel here pretty soon. I don't know. Usually, I don't get a channel here, but I'll try to look for one. Let's see, change the channels, Mike. No wonder. Let's see, click on TV mode. No wonder I couldn't find any channels. Let's set fail to broadcast, but as you guys can see, I really don't get good reception here. Let's see. Hooray, mate! It works! See, it works really nice and good. That really weird kind of fat lady and that weird sort of not really hot Asian chick that are always talking about gadgets. I think it's called Girl Gadgets or something like that, which I really dislike. The only reason why I bought this TV, I told you again, is because I got a free gift card. That's about it. So hooray, it's done, it's fixed, and I didn't even have to send it anywhere. And I finished fixing it, like, I'm pretty sure it took about an hour. You know, the first time around, it was like about an hour. That was about an hour for me, you know, just to fix that. I mean, especially like opening something you've never opened before, which was pretty good, pretty great, you know. I want to do a revised version of this tutorial, you know, as soon as I can get a camera, I guess. Let's see. Well, goodbye. I hope this video helped.